Good morning, this is Jack from Charting the Markets Crypto, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Tuesday, the 4th of March. My disclaimer, I do this for educational purposes only. I'm going to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of what I'm doing and learn from it, transfer it to your own charts. I'm not here to issue trading signals. Right, I haven't got it marked up here, but on the daily chart on Bitcoin, we don't have any positive divergence, but obviously we could be flailing back towards the double top target in the 69 to 70,000 area. Looking at the hourly chart, we got a possible RSI 5 buy signal brewing, possible weak RSI 14 buy signal brewing, possible little double bottom here, but we haven't got any big patterns here. So we've just got a small double bottom set up here that could get us back up to 86,500. Looking at Solana. Solana is a slightly different story. On the daily chart, we've got the RSI 5 buy signal here. That actually made target, fixed and made target when Trump announced the strategic reserve. We've got pretty close to a retest of this low, but we haven't done it, and we might need to do it. We've got that at 125.43. That could set up a very nice looking double bottom if we then see a rally. It might be, though, that if we see a hard fail on equities, that we just see everything drag down. 60-minute, we've got a possible RSI 5 buy signal brewing. We've got a possible little double bottom set up here. Is this a nice looking double bottom setup? Not until it retests 125.43. Looking at the 15-minute chart, yeah, possible little double bottom setup forming here, but I'd be leaning towards it going lower before it became a decent one. Looking at Ethereum, no current divergence on the daily chart. We've gone lower. We're now testing the bottom of my 2,000 to 2,200 support area. We've got a nice looking setup here to rally, but equally it could fail. And if we do lose the 2,000 area, that's actually quite a big area on Ethereum. And I was really leaning towards that going. And if we were to make a similar break on Solana, that would be the break below 110. 110, of course, was the flag low here, 110.02. See a break below that, and it may be that we are looking at the end of the bull market. Although, to be honest, I wouldn't really be looking at that in isolation. I would have to be looking at the Bitcoin chart too. And at the moment, we're not seeing any sign of a really big hard fail on Bitcoin. And if we went and saw the 70,000 area, that would just be a back test of broken resistance. Much lower than that, and yeah. That would call the continuing bull market into question, but we're a long way from that here at the moment. And this rally here, that was just a back test of the daily middle band. That could be continuation lower. That could get us 70,000, but we are a long way from calling the bull market over on Bitcoin. On Ethereum, we got the hourly chart. We got a nice looking wedge here. We are underthrowing it slightly. It's a really nice setup to go up, but obviously, we need some cooperation from buyers to actually get it to go up. We will see. Got a 15-minute RSI 14 buy signal here. We will see. But I think we're really at the same inflection point we are on equities here. We could see a hard breakdown, and if we did, we could go through some big levels. Although Bitcoin is not close to going through some any big and serious levels. So we will see. And Bitcoin, I think, is really the one I'd be watching to see whether I think the bull market has actually ended early. I'm leaning against that at the moment, but we will see. All right, great. Having a look at questions. My pleasure as always, mate. And I'll catch everyone tomorrow.